Okay, now we're on this off-road trail, and it's freaking extra spooky. Right now, I'm trying to find our location on the phone right now. We're trying to find the, what's called this river, and we don't know where the river's at. So right now we're kind of just sitting here, and I think it's not a good idea just because we get stuck since it just rained. But so far it's just fucking extra spooky, and we're gonna try to go to the damn fucking river. Hopefully we don't get stuck. Turn that way and we'll find out. Holy, we're gonna extra die, dude. This is like a murdering like scene, dude. Watch us find like a. Oh no, I don't want to deal with this, man. Nah, I'm too young for this shit, man. Too young. Right here, this is where you're gonna make your turn. Oh, right there, the gap, right there.
There's a gap.
There's a gap. You see that big ass gap right there?
Yeah.
Right there. Right there. Go straight. Go straight.
Keep going straight.
Yeah,
Go straight?
Yeah. Go in that gap. You see that bunch of grass?
The bunch of grass
Right there. That little pile right there.
Keep going.
Right there. You see all that grass?
Yeah. All that grass.
Okay, right here, you're gonna make a U-turn.
We
alive, dude.
We gotta get out of here, man. Fuck this.
Man, we just fucking got stuck, dude. But I told you that you don't freaking freak out. It doesn't solve anything, dude.
No, cause we can't fix it. Dude, look at it right there.
Oh, dude, that's extra. Oh, we're gonna die, dude. Oh my. Oh, fuck. Ow. Okay, you can't slow down, because you slow down, we're gonna get fucked, and then we're gonna freaking.
Which way did we go though?
Shit. I think we went.
Can I stop here? No, straight.
Go straight. Oh, that's an extra big hill. Holy fuck.
Shit.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Go. Don't slow down. Oh my god. Fuck, this hill's extra big, dude. What the f? Did we come from this way?
I don't know. Fuck, I don't know. Can we check the maps here?
No. Don't stop. We're going uphill, dude. Oh shit, we slid. Fucking Drift Nation, did you saw that? You fucking corrected it. Oh, we can stop right here. We can stop here. Just stop downwards. Oh, we turned right, didn't we? We turned right.
Can we stop here?
Yeah, stop right here.
Fuck this. Oh, man, I'm so nervous.
Oh yeah, didn't we go right? We went right, dude. Holy, dude, holy.
No, I don't know what's over there, dude. Come out.
Okay, I told you the right side. Hold on. I'm locked in, dude.
I'm locked in.
Bro, I'm pretty sure it's the right. Oh my, it's extra dark. Oh my. Let me see, flash a light. It's. Dude, that's not the way. Huh? Is that where we were before?
The table, remember we stopped?
That's what I'm saying, it's that way.
But do we go straight or do we go?
You go straight. Look, you can see right here the road. Look,
you can see
the road. You can see the road right here. Look, isn't that the road? And then isn't that the chairs?
I don't know what's down there. You see, it's like wet. You see?
Yeah, but that's the way we came, didn't we?
Yeah.
Watch the car, dude. If we don't come back, you fucking drive that bitch, man. You drive it. You drive it like a motherfucker. All right, see ya, David. Fucking wish me good luck, man. Wish me good luck. All right, we're fucking Augustine. Where's my flashlight, man? I don't want to die. Put it on the.
If we go down this way, this is gravel.
Oh my gosh, it's extra muddy.
It's gravel.
Holy dude.
I can see. How do you go down here? It's because I don't know if there's a puddle here, water. See, you see that?
Oh yeah, but that's not where we are. It's that way. Yeah, that's the place. That's the trash kind of stuff. This is the. Okay, that's the road right there. You see the road? Yeah, that's the road. You. Oh shit. Oh. Shit. We're gonna fucking die. Yeah. Oh shit. And this is the road. Yeah.
No me quiero morir.
I don't wanna die, man.
No me quiero morir.
I'm too young for this shit, man. I still gotta play with dolls and shit, man. Oh shit! Don't slow down. Don't slow down, Augustine. We're fucking going straight up.
But it's slowing down by itself.
Oh, you're kidding, dude. Keep going.
I come out again.
Oh no, we're fucking slowing down. Go in the grass. Get a little grass. Yeah. Get some grip on the grass.
Ay. What do I do?
Keep going, dude. You gotta keep going.
Because it doesn't want to.
Dude, we can't stop. We're almost there. Well, I don't remember coming down this way.
Ooh, a coyote.
Oh, it's a fucking coyote, dude.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, dude. Is everybody's door locked? Because I know how they open doors now these days.
Right, now what?
Okay, keep going.
Can I go down the middle now?
Just keep going. Dude. Just don't stop, all right? There's no time for thinking. Keep going. That fucking coyote went that way, dude. So oh, that's the road. We're good. That's the road. Oh my gosh, we might be alive. Holy dude, you're extra slowing down. Oh my gosh. on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Until, dude, relax, dude, chill, dude. Where's the seatbelt? Oh, watch out, there's a big rock. Holy shit. You're good, you're good, you're good. Go, 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 go. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. All right, go, go. All right, Floor, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. Oh shit, dude. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh shit.
I'm never doing this.
You know, it's funny, we still didn't put on forward drive. It's funny, there's a Jeep. Forward drive kicks in mentally, dude. With your hands, dude.
Almost died.
To be continued.
To be continued on Pornhub. I mean, nothing.